Okay, today I'm making my Crab Rangoon. I figured I'd put it on here for my close family members and friends. Anybody wants to know how to do it because it's so easy. I'm going to show you as I go along. I have about a pound of crab meat. Right now I'm using claw. I generally use special or lump crab meat, but in these times you got to get what you can get. So I got claw, which is just as fine. I put it in a bowl. I kind of mashed it up a little bit. I softened some cream cheese. You can take the cream cheese. Doesn't have to be Philadelphia cream cheese. It could be a no frills brand, whatever. It doesn't matter. Cream cheese is cream cheese. I let it sit out for half an hour if you want to do it real quickly. Basically, I threw it in the microwave. I put it in my glass measuring bowl and just let it soften for about 30 seconds, and then I mixed it up with the crab meat. I added about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I sprinkled some Old Bay in there. And you can use your own amount. I used about 2 teaspoons of the Old Bay. You can use a little more, a little less, your own preference. I also added a teaspoon of sugar just to sweeten it up a little bit. Yeah, that's optional though, you don't need it. But I did that, and then I bought the shells, which are basically vegan wonton wraps. It's probably backwards on here, but I got them in the produce section of Giant. And any supermarket should sell them really, but I know Giant carries them. I have that. This is the mix, what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. Okay, that's the cream cheese and the crab meat. I also put like about a tablespoon of mayo, mix that in there real good. Because basically I don't want to waste it because I made crab cakes as well. So I got that all mixed up. Now I'm taking the shells. And this basically is what they look like. Okay, so I'm peeling off a shell. Now, they're very thin, and sometimes they're hard and they fall apart. But I basically am using 2 of them just to make it a little thicker. Okay, so I'm going to lay that down there like a triangle. Okay, now you're going to take a little tiny bit. You don't want to put too much of your filling. Put it in the center because then when you fold it, it leaks out. Then you want to take a brush with some water, okay? You don't want to sop them wet, but you want to wet the edges. So this is what I'm doing. I'm wetting the edges, just basically for sealing. Okay, then you're going to fold them up and seal the edges. So when you do this, this is what the finished product looks like. Okay? You're sealing the edges with the filling in the center. Then you're going to take the bottom and you're going to fold them. And just squeeze gently. Okay? And this is what it looks like. Okay, now I fried them up in a little saucepan of oil. Okay? I put about a cup and a half of oil on there. Just let it heat up with a lid. And then once that was hot, then I went and I took the Crab Rangoon and I fried it up for a few minutes until it got brown. And this is what it looks like with the cream cheese in the center. Okay? Now, this is them. Okay? You can make them darker if you want. I don't like them real dark or real crunchy. But the longer they stay in, the darker they get and the harder they get. So basically I just left it in for about a half a minute until it just got slightly brown. And I used tongs to take them out and then put some paper towels on a plate, put them on there and let them cool off. So there you have it. There's your Crab Rangoon. Try it and let me know if it works out for you. Okay, have a good day. Enjoy.